Hi, my name is Tushar Manoj Kumar Khanki. I am an MTech student doing my specialization in process instrumentation in College of Engineering, Pune. Today I am going to talk about hazards, accidents, process safety management and process hazard analysis. Our learning objectives are to describe the hazard and accident driven stimulus for and main components of OSHA's process safety management standard. We are going to also define process hazard analysis and related terminology. We are also going to see the methods of hazard analysis. So, what is hazards? Hazard is basically a danger or risk. It is an inherent physical or chemical characteristics that has the potential for causing harm to people, the environment, or the property. Hazards are intrinsic to a material or its condition of use. Examples of hazards are toxic inhalation of hydrogen sulfide or gasoline which is flammable. The hazards were taken seriously when some dangerous incident occurred across the world. From this incident, one was in 1984 in Bhopal, India, which was a toxic material released. About 2,500 immediate fatalities were occurred and many other offsite injuries were also there. So now we will see what is process safety management. It is the proactive and systematic identification, evaluation and prevention of chemical releases that could occur as a result of failure in process, procedure or equipment. Process safety management is an integral part of OSHA, which is Occupational Safety and Health Standard since 1992. It is known formally as Process Safety Management of Highly Hazardous Chemicals. PSM is applied to most industrial processes containing 10,000 plus pounds of hazardous material. Points that are covered by process safety management are process safety information, employee involvement, process hazard analysis, operating procedure, training, contract, pre-startup safety review, mechanical integrity, hot work, management of change, incident investigation, emergency planning and response, compliance audits, trade secrets. Process hazard analysis. Process hazard analysis simply allows the employer to determine locations of potential safety problems. It is used to identify corrective measures to improve safety. If safety controls fail, it also has a pre-planned emergency actions. What process hazard analysis must address? The hazards of the process. It should identify the previous incidents with likely potential for catastrophic consequences. Engineering and administrative controls applicable to the hazards and their interrelationships. It should also see the consequences of failure of engineering and administrative controls, especially those affecting employees. The need to promptly resolve PHA findings and recommendations. Methodologies of hazard analysis are what if questions, checklist, combination of both, hazard and operability study, HAZOP, failure mode and effects analysis, fault tree analysis and appropriate equivalent methodology. We are going to focus on HAZOP, which is hazard and operability analysis. It identifies hazards for safety, health and environment. It also finds problems which prevent efficient operation. There are different types of HAZOP such as process HAZOP, human HAZOP, procedure HAZOP and software HAZOP. Process HAZOP. This technique was originally developed to assess plants and process systems. Human HAZOP. It is a family of specialized HAZOPs, more focused on human errors than technical failures. Procedure HAZOP. It gives the review of procedures or operational sequence in which the process is going to happen. Software HAZOP. It identifies the possible errors in the development of software. Now, when the HAZOP is required to perform, it should be preferably carried out in the design phase as possible, at the initial concept stage when the design drawings are available, when the final P&ID are available, during construction and installation to ensure that recommendations are implemented, during commissioning, during operation to ensure that plant emergency. Modes of operation. The following modes of plant operation should be considered for each node, that are normal operation, reduced throughput operation, routine startup, routine shutdown, emergency shutdown, commissioning, special operating mode. Advantages of HAZOP. It gives systematic examination, multidisciplinary study. It utilizes operational experience. It covers safety as well as operational aspects. It gives the solution to the problems identified may be indicated. Considers operational procedures. Covers human errors. Study led by independent person. Results are recorded. Thus we can conclude that HAZOP leads to improvement of system or operations. It reduces risk and better contingency. It gives more efficient operations, improvement of procedures, logical order, completeness, general awareness among involved parties, and team building. But some accident scenarios may be missed by process hazard analysis. No process hazard analysis method can identify all accidents that could occur in a process. A scenario may be excluded from the scope of the analysis. The team may be unaware of a scenario, or the team considered the scenario but judge it non-credible or significant. Also, the team may overlook the scenario. Thank you for watching the video, and if you have some doubt, you can comment below.